Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Michelle, the co-founder of the Human Wi-Fi, and I'm so excited to be here and to have you here with me to join me on a little meditation series that I will be doing on how to get started with meditation. Um, I had a lot of trouble getting started meditating about 12 years ago. And so, if you can imagine, 12 years ago, there weren't any of those cool apps that we have now that remind you when to meditate. And there wasn't a lot even on YouTube, and not a lot of like classes you can take. So, I've fumbled a lot trying to get started. I definitely had trouble doing it consistently. I was a public school teacher, what was very, very stressed out public school teacher, and I wanted to start meditating to kind of help my stress level, as well as I was really interested in being able to tap into my higher power and angels. So I really wanted to learn how to get spiritual guidance and be more connected with my intuition, which meditation also helps with all of those things. You can see online now that there's so much information about why meditation is beneficial. So this is not going to be about why meditation is beneficial, because I think we all kind of know that it's pretty much a multivitamin to me. It actually helps with almost everything. So that's not going to be the focus. The focus of this series is going to be on how to get started and how to mentally prepare, getting your mindset ready, getting your house ready, getting kind of pumped up, and just getting an idea of what your routine is going to look like and how to set up your house. And it's going to be really step by step, and it's something that I wish I had when I first started. I wish I had someone to teach me, how to prepare for it, because the preparation is just as important as the new habit. And with meditation, you really can't get the benefits unless you do it every day. Just like going to the gym, right? We can't go to the gym once a week and expect to feel better and to expect to, lose weight or to fit better in your clothes. Like, you definitely need to do it every day. So this is going to definitely help you to find your way, right? Not my way, but find your way as far as you working with your schedule and working with your energy and how things work for you, because everyone is different. So I'm definitely going to help you to customize it for yourself. Also, I have a really cool mini startup guide. I know it's backwards, but this will be a free PDF as well that will be going with this free series. And it says your startup guide to meditating daily. So it's a really short little guide, and I will actually be teaching from this guide, going through it by sections, so you know how to use it. And it's really, really simple, nothing complicated or anything. But that is also going to be included just by following our website, thehumanwifi.com. It's not actually on there quite yet, so I'm actually going to tell you how to get it at the next series, the next class that I'll be doing. You will be able to download it and get it right to your mailbox. So I'm really hoping that this helps you as much as it has helped me. The human Wi-Fi to us just means, the ability to connect to something higher than ourselves. I believe, and we believe, that every human body is equipped with a technology just like Wi-Fi, and just like a cell phone. You can use a cell phone and you can get its benefits, but when you turn on the Wi-Fi and you use Wi-Fi, you have an ability to connect to so much more, right? And you're able to get so much more information. And that's the same with our bodies, and that's the same as meditation. Meditation is the connection that we can make to whatever your goals may be, right? If it is to be stress relief, you can learn how to connect to things that will bring you stress relief. If it is that you want to raise your awareness and your intuition, that's going to connect you to that ability as well. So the human Wi-Fi is so important. We just have to know how to turn it on, how to keep it on, and also how to keep a strong signal throughout the day. So I'm hoping to help you with that, and I'm hoping that you join us. It will be 5 minutes, and the next video will be downloaded on Wednesday. If you're just getting the replay, then you can just enjoy this at any time, and leave me a comment or questions if you have anything else that you'd like to know, or any other series that you'd like me to talk about or teach. Well, it's great to see you, and thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time. Bye.